How to type backslash or forward slash using keyboard. Now if you navigate to your keyboard, there you will find two different keys for forward slash and backward slash. Now for backward slash, if you look for a key just in front of the shift key, there is a key with a forward slash and along with a question mark. So all you have to do is simply press on the forward slash. Here the forward slash is typed on. Now in order to find the backward slash, navigate to the key just above the enter key in your keyboard. There you will have a key with the backward slash. All you have to do is simply type on it or press the key. There you can see it is the backward slash. So that's how you can simply type in backward and forward slash using keyboard. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.